Let's talk about household cleaning. I've been getting a lot of inquiries lately about using household cleaners and what are people switching to when they're starting to get away from some of the synthetically fragranced cleaners that are out there, which seems to be kind of all of them. Even some of the ones that kind of claim to be more natural, be a really good label reader. I've made the mistake over the years where in a pinch I ran out to Sprouts or Whole Foods and picked up something, and it turned out that I thought I'd read the ingredients because it said, oh, it was plant-based and or it had essential oils in it. And so I just assumed that it was going to be completely safe. And then I flip it over and I'm like, are you kidding me? They added fragrance to it. So when you see the word fragrance, what that means is it's synthetically derived in order to make that scent. And that is something that we really want to get away from, because just behind that one word fragrance, there can be hundreds of chemicals that they consider to be like proprietary secrets to their special formula, and they won't reveal them. And a lot of times there are things that can be endocrine disruptors. They can trigger things like asthma, allergies. They can be irritants to people's skin, so they can cause some little rashes, as well as some people, if they find that they have a sensitivity, and it can trigger headaches, migraines, things like that. So you want to get to the more natural stuff. So I thought I'd give an example. People are like, oh, but will it truly clean? Yes, do your research, but I think you're going to discover it does a really good job of cleaning. I've been using it for well over a decade, and I'm perfectly satisfied. And this is with dogs and kids and messes and all kinds of crazy things that have come up. And I've just found that Thieves, time after time, has worked. So you can see that it comes, you can get it in this bottle, or if you want an even bigger bottle, you can get it, I think it's 64 ounces. And this one, I believe the current price is just under $23, $22.75 or 79, something like that. This little bottle is the concentrate. So you would only use a capful or a couple of capfuls depending on how big of your cleaning job it is. And then you're going to use that in order to make like a spray bottle. Do you have to have it in glass? No, you don't necessarily have to have it in glass. I've used the one from Home Depot also over the years, so you've got a lot of flexibility with that. So I wanted to show today, like, how do I clean a sink? So I thought I'd show you my gross sink with it's got like residue of toothpaste and all that kind of stuff in there. So I take baking soda. I've got the Costco size bag, but you can go pick up the little boxes, doesn't matter. And I'm just gonna add a little bit here to my sink, okay? Then I'm going to spritz it a little bit. Now, some people make up a soft scrub already ready to go. I'm not that organized, so you can find out the recipe. There's recipes all over. I think even on Young Living's blog, they have the recipe. So now I've basically got a soft scrub, and I've got the cleansing power of the Thieves Household Cleaner, and I just kind of smear that around. Same idea works for the tub, and I'll even use it on like the fixtures and stuff. I don't know while I'm holding it whether I'm going to be able to do a good job in getting everything like around the sink and whatever. But I feel good and safe about using something that I can easily find. Most households have it. I think it does a really good job in kind of the rough cleansing action. Oh, and by the way, this is a microfiber cloth. You can pick up a huge package of these in Costco. And what I do is I cut them into fours. And that way it's really easy to wash, because I don't like to use sponges in my sink because I've read too much about how they collect bacteria. So I use these, and I just have a constant flow of them going into my wash. So great job there with the Thieves Household Cleaner and the baking soda. Keep it really simple, you guys. Don't be afraid to branch out away from your fragranced household cleaners. A lot of people, especially this time of year, they're coughing and they're like, oh, or they tell me they've got asthma or their kids have asthma. And one of the most important things that you guys can do is to get rid of things that are getting into your lungs that could be aggravating and irritating the lung field. And using a clean, green, naturally based, plant-based household cleaner can go a long way toward helping your body with that kind of thing. So then if you have fewer toxins that the body's constantly having to process, it's going to be more efficient in healing itself. Take care, guys.